the Sherman Farm, which is near North Battleford, Saskatchewan. Today we're spraying Roundup on wheat. We are using a case 3320, and over here it's pulsing like a strobe light. And here's my dad. And what's your favorite part about farming?
I like farming because it's a family affair. I like the freedom. I like to be my own boss. And we're feeding the world. We're growing food to feed families, to feed the world.
I like farming. I just get to spend time around my family. It's a family thing. It's not a job where your family is away all